it looks like Miss Fatima has exercised her credit card and obtained the most recent Trendmood Box. So let's jump on in and see what she got. First up, it looks like we have some type of a patch from Vitamask. This one is Melatonin Lavender. Lavender is not Anne's favorite thing. No, it's low on my totem pole. So I will probably pass this along to a friend. I was hoping I would get one of the other items. They have Boost and they have Revive in addition to Snooze. You get what you get. That's the way it goes. Next up is two items designed to be used together from a company called Soft Services. And as near as I can tell, they send a reusable spray pump to go into this bottle over here. And this bottle, before I drop everything on the floor, dropped it on the floor anyway, but not the bottle. Just the spray top. This is Soft Services Clearing Mist Medicated Breakout Tonic. So this is something I don't really have a need for, so I'm going to bundle it up with the spray top, and it will go into the Find a Future Home box and Find a Future Home. Now, one thing I noticed is they did give us an expiration date there. I don't know if that's going to be in focus or not, but they did give us an expiration date that says 10/24. So they don't give us much time to use this, although I guess technically if you're having a lot of breakouts, you jump into it right off the bat. But this is something I know I'm not going to be needing. This is from JVN. It is a nourishing hair oil. I've taken a little sniff. It's not overpowering. It's supposed to give you extra shine. That's fun for the summertime. Yes, that does sound fun for the summertime. I don't know how well this is going to work with my fine hair. Then again, on the other side of things, these dry ends could probably use a little oil anyway, so it's worth a try. That's how you buy these kinds of boxes, is to give things a try. So we're going to give JVN's Complete Nourishing Shine Drops a try. Next up is a product that is supposed to bronze your skin a little bit as well as nourish it. That's a nice combination. Yes, it is. It is from e.l.f. This is in the shade Pure Gold. I believe there are 3 shades. This is the middle of the 3. The idea is to mix it with an oil or a moisturizer and then apply it to your face. And I'm intrigued by this one. Yes, this does look interesting. We are halfway through the box, and Anne has picked her 2 favorites thus far. I would say I'm most excited thus far about the hair shine product and the, well, face bronzing shine product. I guess I'm in the mood to shine. If you're looking for first impressions on some of the items that I am reviewing in these boxes, check out my shorts feed. That is where I am putting a lot of my first impressions. Yes, that's a reason to subscribe to the channel. Not only for unboxings, but first impressions. Subscribe, notification bell, like, and comment. What did you see in here that you liked? Or is there something that you have tried? Let me know. I'm an inquiring camel. I want to know all the details. And now, moving right along with this video, In the second half of the box, the first thing we get is from the brand Vacation. It is a sunscreen. This is called Shake Shake. It is a face sunscreen. It is a mineral sunscreen. So according to the itty bitty print on the back, it says that it does not have any zinc in it. So this is a mineral sunscreen. Glad to see some sunscreens making their way out in boxes. A good reminder for everybody, including me. I'm finding mineral sunscreens, I don't like the scent. It smells like perming solution. So I'm going to probably let Jeff try this out because it doesn't seem to bother him. And he needs sunscreen too. I might even need it. Perhaps. These next two items are just too stinking cute. They are from Tony Moly, and they are jelly lip melt. So in other words, like a lip balm, maybe a lip gloss. I think the packaging is absolutely adorable. They look like jelly molds. I guess I should not eat it. You should not eat it. One of them is in blackberry, and the other one is in watermelon. Your favorite. Yes, I am very excited to get watermelon because I do love me some good watermelon. So I'm excited to get these. The only thing I don't like about any of these types of products where you have to stick your finger in it. And yeah, I know I can buy a disposable lip wand on various other websites. It's just, I wish it was in a tube. Then again, if it was, the packaging wouldn't be adorable. From EM Cosmetics, we have something called Pick Me Up. And apparently this is a mascara that is going to give us volume and length. Worth a try. In the shade black, and that's okay. They're trying to please everybody. And I'll be honest, with my dark eyelashes, I find that color tinted mascaras really don't show up. So black it is. This next item surprised me a little bit because the box says Valentine's exclusive. And we're heading into June. Not only do you get the eyeshadow, you get a brush, a mini brush. And I like the size and the weight of this. It's lightweight, but not so lightweight that I feel like I'm going to drop it. And it's the size of a brush that I tend to gravitate towards when applying makeup. So happy to have this. These are the 5 little eyeshadows. It's a mini collection. It's called Mini Crush palette. And like I said, I was surprised to see it say Valentine's Day. Granted, these colors, in my opinion, are great for the summer, great for year-round, and it means I get to do swatches. Brush. No. Please. Let's get the camel a brush. And before we forget to mention it, our favorite things from the second half of the box are the watermelon Tony Moly jelly lip product and the Natasha Denona palette and brush. What did you see that you liked? Did you get this box? Fill me in on all your details. I ask again, I need a brush. We got to get this camel a brush. So here we go with a quick swatching by the camel. As always, Miss Princess Fatima the Camel, that was an awesome job in the swatching department and the shopping department. Thank you. Swatching and shopping. That's my alternate name. And a quick look at the nitty-gritty. This was Trendmood's 25th box. It was a cost of $40. It had a value of $171. I got a coupon code for 10% off, so that brought it down to $36. And then by the time we put on tax, the shipping was free. We were all in for $38 and change. That's a pretty good value considering all that we got. Yes, I would say I'm pleased with most everything in the box. There were a couple items I know I'm not going to use yet. That's what happens when you buy a mystery box. As near as I could tell, there were 9 items in the box. I'm counting each lip jelly as a separate item, but I am counting the toner blemish spray and the spray top as a item together. They might have counted that separately, we are not sure. But by my calculations, we got 9 items, which when you put that into $40, you get $4.45 for each item. I would say that's a good value for being able to try out products, and these are all full size. So I would say that was a very good value. If you haven't done so already, we do invite you to subscribe to the channel. You don't want to miss out on any more fun adventures. Subscribe, comment, like button, share with your friends. Yes, we're trying to build up our channel. And we hope to see you again in another video. And don't forget to check out our shorts feed, because that's where we will put more information on first impressions.